everybody, Lori with Pizazz Studios. I want to come on and give you a big thank you, and I appreciate all your support here on my channel. My channel is growing quickly, and I appreciate all of you. Thanks for being with me. I'm going to show you something really quick here. I'm going to bring you down on my table. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this tile here. Super pretty. It's all resined. It's a completed piece. I wanted to show you a close-up of it. So that'll be coming up in the video you're about to watch. And this is the one that I uploaded the other day. This is Fibonacci Swirl technique that I'm now showing you how to do here on my channel. If you'd like to see more of these, please subscribe to the channel. So I want to show you the backs of these also, now that they're completed. What I do with some of my tiles is I attach them to some canvases. I paint the canvas. I sign the back. If you look at the back of this one here, I have a piece of hardware here. You can just hang the canvas on the wall. So this is a cool piece that I make. This is one of the ones that I have already made. And this one is the same as these. Oh, here's another one, actually. This is my butterfly one. Isn't that pretty? A lot of pretty iridescence in that one. So what I do is I make these so that they're able to stand up, and they're also able to be hung on a wall. So I include a piece of hardware on the back, and you can hang it, or they simply stand up on a table or a desk, a mantle even. So you can hang them up, or you can stand them up. So anyway, I just thought I'd come on real quick, do a little introduction, say thank you again for watching my video. I'll tell you what video this one was in if you haven't seen it. And this will be the next one that I do for you. And that's in the video for today. So thank you for joining me. Have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Everybody, it's Lori with Pizazz Studios. Thanks so much for coming back and joining me. And if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Help me out on YouTube. I thank you so much for just taking a moment out of your time to do that for me. Today, we are doing a 4 1/4 inch ceramic tile. Very popular on my last video, so I thought I'd do another one for you. But I'm gonna use a black base again today. This is by Color Place. It's called Onyx Black. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right down here on my tile, and we'll get going. Color I'm going to put down is Copper by Loft. I'm just going to sort of lay it down wherever I feel like. I'm not doing anything particular here. Next color I'm going to use is yellow. Cadmium yellow, deep hue. Liquitex Basics. I will list down in the description box for you all the paints I'm using. Next one is Primary Elements Mediterranean Blue from Color Art. Ultramarine Violet. This is my next paint from Amsterdam. I'm gonna just turn this tile around. My paint is moving a little bit for some reason. It should be nice and level. This one's Kiwi. This is another primary element from Color Art. The next one I have Light Magenta from Loft. And I'm going to put a little Decoart 24 karat gold. Nice. Now I'm going to pop some bubbles. Here's my toothpick real quick. This looks like something my daughter colored when she was 3. That's not a bad thing. Okay, there we go. Now, black cell activator. I'm gonna give this a stir for just a second. Now we're ready. You're gonna lay down the cell activator in the center here, and then I'm gonna blow it out. So pardon my head for a moment. There we go. Wow, this is looking really neat in the center, the colors. Let me come over and zoom in. I didn't blow it out as far as I normally do. So you have all that paint still on the sides and the corners and whatnot, but that's okay. There we go. Give you a little bit of a closer look here at these cells. I like the way these colors mix together. Pretty. So I'm not necessarily going for perfect cells or anything like that. I like to create the cells, but they don't need to be all that pretty looking because I run my fork through them. Anyway, there we go. So I have my fork here. It's just your ordinary fork. You can take a fork and just, this is how I usually like to do it. I do things differently all the time, but today I'm gonna do this. I start from the center, hold the fork in place, and you just sort of go with it. You're turning your spinner while you're dragging the fork through it. It makes really cool design. When you get to the edge, like one prong or a couple prongs just on the edge. Obviously you can't fit all 4 prongs there. You don't have the room to fit the entire fork in that corner. The middle, oh man, that's really pretty. Let me show you. I would have liked more cells on the outer edges, but this is okay. I think I'm actually gonna spin this one a little bit. I'm not gonna spin too hard. I'm trying to get it just to kind of spread out. All right, it's pretty. I'm gonna wipe the bottom of my tile off. You wanna do that when you're done. Gets any of the excess paint off the bottom so it doesn't drag it down from the top. Wow, I like it. Let me show you a close-up of this one. Very cool. I think it's pretty. I'm going to bring this down off the holder too and show you another close-up. Give me just a second to set that up for you. All right, here we go for another close-up from this angle here. Look at all that shimmer. I just love that. Okay, well thank you for watching everyone. I appreciate you being here with me. Please hit the like button. I will make more of these coming up. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you again real soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.